And let's learn Hindi swear letter with vocabularies. A say ajgar. A say ajgar. Ajgar means snake. A say aam. Aam means mango. E say itr. Perfume. E say eek. Sugar cane. U say udna. Udna means to fly. U say woon. Thread. A say ektara. It is a musical instrument. I say Airavat. Airavat means white elephant. O say Ola. Ola means fog. Au say Aushadi, medicine. Ang say Angur, grapes. Aha say Kali. Learn and practice, share videos. Thank you, children. Bye.